Mandy loves the snow. In Europe, in the winter, in January, February, and in March, a lot of people go skiing. They put their ski jackets on, they put their gloves on, they put their masks and their headbands on their heads. They put their skis on their shoulders. They put their ski poles on their shoulders. They take a bum lift or a chairlift or perhaps a gondola or a big cable car, and they go off into the mountains. I'm ready, and Mandy's ready. Are you ready? Okay, so let's go. Hello, I'm Rachel. If you're new to my channel, welcome to Smile English Stories, where you can listen to English in lots of different contexts. If I speak too slowly or too quickly, you can change the speed in YouTube. So I think you might have guessed. I think you might have realized that I'm not really going skiing. I'm not going skiing because in France, where I live, all the ski resorts are closed at the moment because of COVID. But you know, I'm not going skiing because I'm not good at skiing. I'm even a little scared of skiing. Look at my dusty boots. I haven't been skiing for a long time.
Oh, well.
I'm very good at crossing my skis and doing a snowplow. And I'm really not good at parallel skiing. Well, skis are really heavy. So I thought you might like to hear some of my skiing stories. The first time I went skiing, I was about 14. I went to France to stay with a French family. And the French family lived in Toulouse, in the southwest of France, not far from the Pyrenees, so near the Pyrenees mountains. And one day they decided they should take me skiing. This poor English girl who had never skied. And so we went cross-country skiing in the countryside, not downhill skiing, not alpine skiing. So we put all the equipment in the car. We got out of the car. We put our hats on, etc., etc. And then it was really strange because I had never skied and I thought that skiing was downhill, not uphill. And the family wanted me to ski uphill. So we skied up through a forest, and then we got to the top of a little hill. And on the top of the little hill, the family said, okay, so now it's easy, no problem. You ski down. I was so scared. I didn't know what to do. So I didn't ski down. I walked down. The next day at breakfast, the family looked at my face and said, oh no, oh la la, your face is as red as a beetroot. You know, a lot of English people have very white skin, and they had forgotten to put sun cream on my face, so my face was really red. When I was at university with some university friends, we decided to go skiing for 1 week in the French Alps. And then I had proper skiing lessons. And so it was a little bit better, a little easier. But then when I started to work in France, one weekend I went skiing in the Alps again with some work colleagues. Now, when you go skiing, there are different slopes, different colours of slopes. The green slopes are the easiest. The blue slopes are a little bit more difficult. So when I go down a blue slope and it's not narrow, it's wide, I can go from side to side, not too difficult. But for me, a red slope, a little more difficult, is too scary. And a black slope, impossible. But my friends wanted me to go down. They wanted me to try the red slope. But I was so tired. It was the end of the afternoon and I was so tired. But I went slowly down the red slope. But to get back to the ski station, we needed to go back up a bum lift and then ski down a blue slope to the ski station. But because I was so tired, I didn't see the poles. I didn't see the poles of the bum lift coming back round. And boom! A bum lift pole hit me on my head. I fell down and I saw stars. It was impossible for me to ski back down to the ski resort. Luckily, somebody had a mobile phone, so they called the ambulance. Not the helicopter. They called the red sledge ambulance. So I was happy. I didn't have to ski back down to the ski resort, I just had a ride in the ambulance. And then my friends drove me down to a nearby village, a little village not far from the resort. And I had to have 3 stitches in my head. So I think you can understand why I haven't been skiing for a long time. Do you like skiing? Do you have your own skiing equipment? Do you have long, thin socks? Or do you have thicker socks in your ski boots? Do you find it difficult to put your ski boots on too? And difficult to walk in your ski boots? Skiing can be complicated. Anyway, let me know in the comments if you like skiing. And if you do like skiing, I hope you will be able to go skiing again soon. So, I hope you enjoyed my little ski stories. If you did, give me a thumbs up and share them with a friend who likes listening to English. I'm going to go and drink a mulled wine, but I will be back next time, I hope, with a little series about Carnival and maybe a little bit about Brazil. So I'll see you then. Take care.